Well, hello everyone. It's your girl D here, back again with another video. I need to think of a really cute name for my channel. I need to rebrand. I was thinking about, a name that I might use with confetti in it because I like confetti. But anyway, I digress. I'm rambling. That's not what you're here for. You are here today to listen to me talk about this canvas that I'll be working on. Now, by the time you see this video, by the way, the canvas that you are currently staring at will be finished. I'm just going to let you know that. I'm doing this canvas for a very good friend of mine who is a really big Superman fan, and I hope and I pray that he enjoys this. I'm going to do a few of them for him. This is one of 3 that I've purchased so far. There's some other ones that I want to get so he could just like bling out his place with even more Superman things. Anyway, this lovely canvas you're looking at, this is it is an unboxing, which I've unboxed it already, so duh, maybe it's not an unboxing. But my next canvas I'll be working on, or that I'm finished with by now, that you're looking at, this is Superman from Mandy Manzano, and I love Mandy Manzano. Mandy Manzano is awesome. This is from Diamond Art Club. Diamond Art Club has licensed artwork, meaning that they do pay their artists. And I love that. I only do licensed artwork. I have a few budget-friendly canvases I got from Amazon a while ago, but I mostly rock with licensed work and companies that do licensed work. So, again, Superman, Mandy Manzano, awesome. This lovely canvas that you're looking at is a 22 by 33 inches or 56 centimeters by 84 centimeters. He has a whopping 51 colors in him. Whoa. With let's see, looks like 1, 2, excuse me, 3, 4 ABs. Okay, cool. Anything under a 150 is an AB. So this one has 4 of them. Okay, so by the way, I gotta show you this. Let me move the canvas over just a tad. Move over. Sorry for the blurriness, but this is the box. Look at the box. Oh, the box is so cute. I love this box. I love that the box at the top, this is what the diamond painting looks like when it's finished, what you're seeing here. But this box is amazing. This box is a collector's piece within itself. When you turn it over on this side, this is what the side panel looks like. It just shows the art going around. The back of the box, which shows you how to diamond paint, blah, blah, blah. Love this right here of all the soups. Tells you what the kit includes and everything. And then here's the other side with another picture of the image right here that tells you about some of the details of it. So yeah, this box is amazing within itself. So I wanted to just show off the box. But back to this lovely canvas. Again, Mandy Manzano did the damn thing when she created this canvas. She also has done 2 more. She's done Wonder Woman 84, which I do have. And she also has Batman, which I do want. So I'll probably get the Batman one and do that one, because that one is dope too. But the details in this canvas is awesome. Let me just start off with the skyline down here. The skyline is beautiful, I think. Love that they have incorporated the Daily Planet. I love all the details. Daily Planet details. I love his face. They even got, look up here, the details. Mandy even got that little curl, the Superman curl going on. Lovely. So with this canvas also, I do plan on adding some enhancements. I'm going to add some sparklers to this canvas. By the way, shout out to Tima or Tina over at DP with Sparklers. Thank you so much for the sparklers. I did order some from her. And when I look at this painting, where to enhance, let me show you where I'm planning on putting the sparklers. And I don't need a lot, just a few. Like for example, let me start at the bottom, the skyline. All this yellow that you see in the skyline, I believe I'm gonna add sparklers there. Let me just look at the symbol here. Yeah, that's not an AB, but that's where I'm gonna add some sparklers. Also, this yellow in his belt here, probably this lighter part, I'm gonna add a few sparklers in there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bling out the whole thing, I don't know. But definitely the yellow, the lighter part, I will bling out this here. I don't think I'm gonna do the rest of his belt where this red is. Just this part. I think that would be enough. And also the S on his chest. Again, all this yellow, I'm gonna bling out this here. I'm gonna add sparklers here. I'm planning on adding some sparklers in this section, and over in here, and over in here, and over here. And last place I'm gonna add sparklers is in his blue eyes. They will also be sparklers, because when I close my eyes and I open my eyes up again, the things that stick out in this canvas to enhance are those points. All the yellow in the skyline, the belt, the S, the eyes. That's about it. I thought about doing something back here to his cape, but I don't think I am. So just in case you want to know where the ABs are, let's see. One is 107. Let me just look around. First of all, the drill field, as you can see, the drill field is clear. In his belt, number 1 here, this is an AB also. So ABs will go here in the belt. I'm going to assume that ABs will go also in the S. Yep. The red part in the S on his chest will be an AB. And I'm also going to assume probably somewhere, yep, in his cape. His cape, all throughout his cape, there's like ABs all over the red of his cape. The blue AB, blue is number 2. I'm going to assume that's going to be in his muscles, which are very detailed. His muscles. Muscles. I cannot find them. But they're somewhere. Where are they? I don't know where they are. I'm not seeing them. But it's a light blue color. Maybe it's in the sky? Are you back here in the sky? No? I gotta find them. I'll let you... Oh, I think I see. The AB, the blue ABs are in his eyes. Yep, blue ABs are those eyes that I'm going to bling. Those are ABs. Like I said, I brought some sparklers maybe to bling those out. I'll see how that looks. 3 is the skyline over here. And then you have, that's another AB. And then you have 131, which is the arrow symbol going down. So, yep, 131. AB is in the S here on his chest. The S is also where this gold is also an AB. So yeah, those are the spots that I'm going to bling this bad boy out in. I'm gonna use the ABs that, you know, Diamond Art Club has provided with the kit, but I'm gonna just add a little bit extra sparkle. Like I said, I don't really need a lot, because I don't want to overdo it. Even though I was told, my friend knows I'm doing this canvas, by the way, and I can't really post anything about it, but I was told, and I quote, to bling that bitch out, end quote, is what he told me in a text message. So I'm not going overboard, but I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle. Now, I do want to show you this too. I haven't opened these drills up because I haven't kitted it up yet, but I have the drills here. And that's a lot of drills, y'all. Let me move him over. Move over a little bit, Soups. Thank you, Clark. Move you over. Yeah, that's a lot of drills. And again, this is Superman. A lot of drills. I guess what I could do, I hate I don't have the, excuse me for the crippling paper. This is an ASMR moment. But I'm really sorry that I don't have an overhead camera, you know, to show you. There's a lot of colors. Like, oh my God, look at that. Oh man. Woo! That's a lot of colors. All right, so I guess I could go over some colors here. Let's see here. Let me start off with, excuse me for the shaky camera. I'm all over the place. I desperately need an overhead camera thing. Y'all help a sister out, please, with that. What do y'all use for overhead cameras? Anyway, let me start off and talk about some drills. So we have 3350, 150, which is a beautiful red. Red's my favorite color, by the way. So, and 666 is one of my favorite colors as well. 632, thought I missed one. 356, looks like a skin tone color. 738. 37.99 is another one. 893, 3809. That's a nice blue. 413, 3830. Excuse my table. Whoa, 945, 350. 898 is that one. 938, 782, 608, 783, 894, 3843, just a little bit of those. And 120. Yeah. So that's the first row of drills. The next row that I will go over. Another one of my favorite drills, my favorite colors, 310. By the way, if I didn't say that already, this canvas is a square. This is a square canvas, not a round canvas. If I didn't say that before, I apologize. 310, I have 1, 2, 3. 3 bags of 310. 815, another favorite color of mine and my old area code. 1 bag of 815, 2 bag of 815, 3817, and 503. There's another one here, which is 3816. Next row we have, let me move over here. 797, 799, 772, 107. 2 bags of 107. That's that AB. Yes, yes. 3371, 814. 2 bags of 814. 644. 823, 3811. 2 bags of 3811. Get out the way. And we have 519, which is this light blue. 606, 562, 307. Look at that yellow in 307. Holy cow, gorge. 131, another AB. 125, another AB. 498 and 436. Couple more. Oh, nope, last big long one here, guys. Looks like I got some more 310. I do. A lot of black in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More bags of 310. 796. 3823. 817. Another bag of 817. 775. Hold on a second. Get situated here. 939. Another bag of 939. Another bag of 939. I feel like I'm calling bingo right now. 798. 820. Another bag of 820. 3865. Another bag of 3865. 745, and finally 797. So that is all the drills in this lovely canvas right here. Let me put those to the side right quick and move Clark back over here in the middle. There you go, Clark. He's kind of on an angle because the drills are on top of him. But yeah, again, this canvas, like I said, by the time you're watching this video, this canvas will be finished. I hope that my friend likes it. Gosh, I hope he likes it. I know it's going to turn out wonderful. I'm going to do a post review on this canvas. I'm going to come back when I'm done to show you if I use enhancements or not, or if I just use the regular ABs, and let you know how everything looks, okay? As usual, thank you for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this content. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm trying to make a comeback. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell in case just in case you don't want to miss anything. And I will talk to you next time.